These how to 1 minute will show you how to add social media follow widget on Blogger website. So if you want to add social media follow button like this to your Blogger website, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, go to your Blogger site, Blogger dashboard, and click on layout. For example, I want to add social media follow button to my bottom sidebar. So here I'm clicking add a gadget and select HTML/JavaScript. Give here the title, and here you have to paste some codes. You will get this course in this video. All you have to do is just copy this course from here and paste it here. And now from here you can add or remove any social media, like you can remove Facebook, and you can remove Twitter. Also you can add a new social media option here. And now you have to replace these hash using your social media profile links. Enter here your Facebook links. That's how you have to replace this hashtag. And scroll down. Here you will get CSS course. From here you can easily customize your social media follow buttons according to your requirements. Once you are happy, click on save. And now I'm going to show you the final result. So here we can see the social media follow buttons have been added. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.